Physics Wala is the largest education company at this point of time, and it is fastest growing internet company in India at this point of time. Past 2 years, our revenue jumped by 4 times, 97% CAGR in revenues, and our EBITDA also jumped almost 4 times, almost 90% CAGR in our EBITDA, we are coming to stock markets, the issue is opening for the public for 11th of November, and the listing date is 18th of November.
What are the main objectives of Physics Wala Limited's IPO?
So main objective is to have a larger reach, larger branding, because a public listed company seen with the eyes of more love and respect, and that allows us to build a bigger brand in terms of parent trust and student trust. At the same time, the issue is 90% primary. That will allow us to expand even more aggressively, and there is a slight 10% OFS component. None of our existing investors are selling, that shows a confidence in terms of company's current revenue growth as well as profitability growth. So this is the first Indian internet IPO where none of the existing investors are selling.
How will the funds raised through this IPO be utilized?
So partially, these funds will allow us to open 200 more centers in next 3 years. Although we are sitting on a large treasury, we can expand our offline reach with our own treasury as well. But still, at the same time, use of proceeds will allow us to expand into southern part of the country. We have launched 11 different Indic languages. We are very strong in strong Hindi heartland brand. The 15 North India states are we have a good penetration, but now we want to expand to southern part of the country as well. So this will allow us to enter into the newer geographies, newer languages.
How does Physics Wala plan to attract retail and institutional investors?
See, we have a large student base, around 12 crore students are attached to us on a various social media channels, So, we are a household name in country, wherever there's a student, in a house, they know us, especially grade 9, 10th, 11th, 12th science students, we have a huge market share. So, I don't think, we have to put in extra efforts to attract retailers. We have a lot of, we are a consumer internet company, so a lot of our students and their families will raise their hands to come to our IPO.